this is RLC 321 back again with another work in progress video for the Knightrider MPC repopulated model kit. And what we're going to do, we're going to be using Vallejo surface primer gloss black on the main body parts and everything like that, that's what we're going to do. Now I've got the parts pretty much all on clips. This isn't going to be gloss black, but I wanted to just put it on anyway. You're not really going to see underneath here ever, you know, so I've got all the little pieces and things like that. There is so much flash on these parts. I would have thought for a round 2 model, which is supposedly quite a good company, that they would have sorted it and fixed it, but there was just so much flash on this thing. It's stupid. It really is absolutely stupid. So these are all the parts down here that we're going to be painting with the gloss black today. Yes, so I thought I'd show this. And right, it's going to be noisy because I'm going to have to switch it on. You know when I said I'm going to have to switch it on? Yeah, it's not switched on. Hang on, I need to plug it in. Be back. There we go. There we go. That's better. Right, so first things first, I'll leave that to last. We'll do these other bits. So now, in theory, the Vallejo's primer, you should be able to just spray straight out. I've always found that you can't, so I'm going to add just a little bit of thinner to it. Not a lot of thinner, just a little bit. So give it a bit of helping hand here. Okay, so we'll start with this. You can see. That up a little bit. And I might need to up pressure a bit. Okay, so as high as it can go. That's it for a few minutes. Then we go on to this one. Looks like the rear bumper. Hopefully what we sanded isn't going to show up. these dry and see what it looks like, and hopefully I haven't screwed it up too much. But we can only see what we can see. So I will bring you guys back then. No, let's turn this off. There we go. So I will bring you guys back when it's dry. Actually, no, I'm going to bring you guys back in a few minutes after I clean up the airbrush. Because what I'm going to do, because I need to wait that to dry. I was watching Trekworks and he built this MPC kit as well. So I thought, well, okay, he actually built the engine and everything. So okay, so we might as well build the engine and just see where we go from there. But I'm going to clean up my airbrush. So I will see you guys soon. Okay, so bringing you guys back now so we can continue on doing this. So we're going to be building the engine parts of it. So we're going to need bits. We need bits. Oh, pause. So we're probably going to need bits from there, definitely from there. Right, so we need this one, which is P30 and 31. You can barely see the numbers on this. Right, 30 and 31. Let's move that there. Let's move this camera back a bit, actually. There we go, and get you down there. There we go, that's better. So we need these two parts. Okay. And then we need 33 and 77. 33 and 77. Right, so here's 77. I'm not too sure whether I'm going to paint the engine or not. That's 33. I might do, but then again I might not. I don't know. We want 34, which is two of these. Two of those right there. 32 and 82. So 32, 32. I think that's 82. No, that's not 82. Okay, this is 82 here, which looks to be like it's going to be the oil cap, oil filter. And 32. 32 is there. 37, 37, 53, 54. So you're 38. And 54. You're kidding me, right? $54, 37 and 53. 37, 53, 53, 53. There. Okay. Yeah, okie dokie then. So let's get our Tamiya extra thin out. So we need to put this together. Alright. Well, as best as we can do anyway. Yeah, okay. So it wasn't like lining up correctly. And there we go. The flash on this is unreal. I mean, let me just show you here. Look at that. And if they were going to re-release a kit, you would think that they would actually fix the issues with the kit as well. I think that would be my one and only gripe about this. I mean, I love Knightrider. I'm really looking forward to finishing this. But it's so bad that I've never seen flash like it. And I've built plenty of kits. Obviously I haven't built a kit, but I've built plenty of other kits. So just get some nice bit of glue in here. There we go. And we squeeze that all in. Make sure that's all lined up okay. Okay, so that's that part done. So then it's telling me to put in this little doohickey this way. And it should fit in there like that. Okay. Put that on there. Get some of that in there. Then it tells me to put this little doohickey ding dong right here, which we're going to do. There we go. Okay. So now we've got the oil pan on and we've got the oil filter on. At least I think I'm doing it right. Am I doing it the wrong way? No, I'm not. No, I am doing it the correct way. Good. Right. Okay, so we'll let that dry for a few minutes. And then, did I get 77 out? I did. Yes. So then this looks like it goes how? I mean, how? So either that or that. Is that right? What does the star mean? Parts of it untied with a star beside a part. Plated parts. Okay. So there is no plated part for that, Sonny Jim. Okay. Right, hang on. So put this. It's made for styrene plastic. Without paint to dry third, but painting your mod may be painted to match the box colours. So make all parts except where do not. Okay. Then check the fit of these or anything. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. So refer to what? Right, okay, that just says, right, this here, that star just means refer to, but refer to what? I haven't a clue. So I don't know if you're supposed to put that in or that in. Or is it just optional? I don't... Actually, what do those two arrows mean? Let's have a look, see. Optional. Okay, so you've got a choice between the two, looks like. Alright, so we could either go... that was lucky. Could either go... that along there like that, or have this one along there like that. Don't know. Just don't know. Well, that's the... No, that's the next thing to do, isn't it? No, it isn't. No. Right, so we need a chrome part. And a goozle. Right, so we need these. Okay, there. Right, so we've got this, and then this facing that way. We'll have this one on, and that goes in there. Right, so they have detail of the pistons in there, but you can't even see them because they're going to be glued in. That's cool. Stupid, but cool. Right. Let's get rid of some of this. Plate it off. Because for the plastic to the cement to bond, you need to get rid of this plated, otherwise it just won't work. Just so you know. Right. I think these are pretty much the same, they're just different emojis. So we shall put one on. Okay. So let that one sit. And let me get this one. And I've just realised I haven't scraped this one yet. So I shall get on that right now. Yeah, so the LED set for this has been posted, I can say. Yeah, got confirmation this morning that it's been posted from the States, so it'll probably take a couple of days, about a week or two to get here, which is fine. Which is fine. And I decided, and I thought, you know, while I'm waiting, I was going to wait until it turned up before I started building, but then I thought, no, why wait? Let's get it done. Let's get it built as far as I can until the LEDs do turn up. Because then I'll be able to see, you know, what I might need to change or not change with the LEDs. I.e., how are they going to fit inside the model, etc. You know, that kind of thing. Righty ho. So, okay. stock engine or turbo engine. Okay, I don't know which one to do on this now, because I can't remember which. I don't know if, I think Kit will probably have the turbo engine, wouldn't he? Let's be honest with you, he would. So I think we'll probably go with that then. Yeah, we'll go with the turbo engine. So in that case, the turbo engine, which has now answered the question of which one of these to use, is this bad boy here. And this goes in that way. That way, like that. I think. I'm not even getting it in there. Can't really tell. Okay, so we've got that in there. Lucky so. Then we need to put these on, and these go on like that. Okie dokie, so you go there. And then we do the same with this one here. There, and there we go. Okie dokie, so we now got that part done. And next we get that piece, which goes like this, and then this piece which goes like that, doesn't it? I don't know, it's really difficult to tell because it's all cack. So this goes here. I think it might do, because I think this part here looks to be just a bit of the sprue that's still stuck on there, which it is. There we go. Right, okay. So then, with this piece angling down, this goes onto here. Let's put there. You go that away. So you go into there. Yeah, okay. So that goes there. and then this part goes there, and then this goes on into the hole there, like that. No, I said like that, in the hole. And it goes like that. Okay. Right, so there's that bit done. Then on the side here we put this. Where? Anywhere there. Doesn't really. There it goes over here. Okay. So this piece goes over here. That's fine. Okay. So you're going over here like so. So that big piece goes there. There. This little teeny tiny piece, which has no reason to exist, goes in there. I mean, what the point of this is, I haven't a clue. And that angles downwards. And no, right, okay. You're forcing me to get the tweezers out now. Right. Try that again. Put that in there. Okay, I've also got it in. There we go. Okay, didn't need the tweezers. There, so that's parts 1 and 2 done of the engine, which, to be fair, is shit. The detail on it is crap. Yeah, I'm not going to worry too much about this, the engine. I'm going to build it, I'll pull it in, and we'll see what it's like. But I'm not going to, you know, be too worried about it. So anyway, here is where you have it with just the stock or with the turbo engine. I'm kind of hoping the turbo engine isn't going to interfere when you put the bonnet on, but we'll see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that video here because it's probably been going on for quite a while. And in the next video we'll be continuing building the engine, and then we're going to be doing the underneath parts of Kitt's kit as well. Okay, so this is just a continuation on from well, it's not a previous video. It's all joined into the one video. I went ahead and completed the engine. God's sake, what a pain in the ass this engine was. The parts don't fit. These didn't fit properly. It's not even hardly even touching. Don't know if I can focus for me. Come on, there you go. It's not even touching inside there. It kind of is, but it's not all the way. The fit is terrible. There's mold lines all over the place. I'm not too worried about sanding these because, well, you're not going to see it. I'm not even going to worry about painting underneath here because, I mean, the model's going to be sitting down here anyway. Do you know what I mean? You're not going to see it. So it seems a bit pointless to paint all this gumph and everything like that. And here, the engine parts, this here, it's supposed to fit inside a little hole. It does, but it's crooked. Don't know if you can see that. It's all crooked. It just doesn't fit very well at all. I mean, it's not going to interfere with the putting everything together now. At least, God, I hope not. It shouldn't interfere with putting everything together. And I thought that, you know what, let's let's see, shall we, actually. So this bit goes here. Yeah, no, that's not going to interfere whatsoever. Okay, good. So I thought I could continue on with doing this, but with you guys. So the next part in the excuse me, of the build is the wheels. These are said wheels. Now I'm going to be painting these black, obviously. I've got to paint these black because this is not the right way they should be. But that'll be in another video, I think. So we are going to need these. Oh, and just fall off. Okay. And luckily with this, it doesn't have to be in any set order because they're wheels. You know, it's not like they've got a front and a back, etc., etc. They're just wheels. Right, and clean that bit up now. That's fine, and that's fine. There's going to be a few videos out today. Obviously, there's going to be this one for Kitt. There's going to be an update on the St. Andrew. I had asked about if I should do it differently, and I've decided that with the St. Andrew, I'm not going to just build it and then do anything. I'm gonna take things apart, and I'm gonna put all the different colours into separate separate containers to hold, and I will show you why we do that in a few minutes when we get to that part. I'm gonna need that out again. And now we need the tyres as well. Tyres, there we go. Let's cut these open. And we need said tyres. So what I say we've got to do is with this and this, that don't look right. Oh my goodness. Right. Look, here we go. Here's a problem right there. Are you gonna come on, focus for me, will you? Damn it. Here we go. You see that? That's a problem right there. Hopefully a little bit of a sand should get rid of that. Let's just go all the way around the edge, because that's got to fit flush, I believe. Let's do that with all of them, just to be on the safe side, I think. There we go. And I apologise for not having a lot of videos. I've just been extremely busy. I've had to get a second job as well, so I've been doing that as well as my other normal job. So looking like this, it's supposed to go into here, like so, like that. And I'm guessing this is where the wheels are going to fit on, but that definitely needs some gluings. So I shall plonk some glue in there, and we put one in, and we obviously do the same with all the others. Yeah, so because I've got a second job now. I've got a lot less time, and it's only because it's like a bank holiday Monday. I've got a little bit of extra time. I mean, the videos still will be coming. Don't worry about that. They still will be there. Because the other job I've got, I don't start till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's I'll still be able to do things. So anyway, according to the instructions, it's saying to put this in and then put that in like that. At least that's what it's saying, but that seems very loose to me if you did that. So I'm wondering if it'll probably be better yeah, let's glue those onto there. So what we're gonna need to do is scrape off this chrome piece, these chrome pieces here. Hang on for 1 minute.
How do I get the TV thing to work? Because it's on the little box thing with the small remote.
Yeah.
But it's saying no video.
Right, have you put it onto, if you're not using the Virgin, you're using the other one, you need to put it on game. So if you look at the amplifier, yeah, it says game, press the button that says game. Right, sorry about that guys, I'm now back. So we're going to scrape that off there. We'll do that for all of them to get rid of this chrome stuff, because this chrome stuff will stop the glue from, well, doing what it needs to. Do all of this. Yeah, so Sinanju is going to be hopefully the next video that's coming up on the channel. I'll discuss a few different things with the Sinanju when we get there, because I've also joined a group build for the Sinanju, so that's going to be interesting. I've got glitter all over me. Right, so if we put this together there, okay, that works. Right. And it has to go in the with this hole, because that is where it's going to stick onto the wheels. I mean, I'm very loosely holding this together. I'm not pushing it together just yet until I put the glue on. So the glue will seep down. Oh, excuse my phone. So that the glue will seep down into all of the nooks and crannies and edges. And the final one. There we go. So we'll discuss the Sinanju at a later time, and also the other video is another update for the original series Enterprise, which I know haven't done a lot with that yet, but we will be, definitely will be. So anyhoozle, that is those 4 wheels done. So what I think is probably the best, if I push it through this way. It's very, very loose. Push them in there. There we go. And Get this on. There we go. There's the wheels all done. You know, I have to say, I am not really impressed with this kit at all. It's not one of the greatest out there. There you go. There's a wheel, and obviously we need to paint that piece black. So I need to find out where I put my black. Right, here we go. We can use this black here. Now I need something to plonk it on. Where did I put? I'm losing my marbles. definitely losing my. What am I talking about? Losing? I've already lost my marbles. Oh, do you know what? It doesn't matter. Just put it on the. Just on here. Just get a little bit out there. Right. And let's get our paintbrush. Alright, and now carefully, we're just going to go around. Go around the room. As carefully as we can. Now I do realise I'm using my gloss primer here, which should be fine. You know, I'm just going to paint the whole thing because I can touch up those bits in the middle in a little bit once it's all dried, but we just needed to get the rim done more than anything. Okay, so there we go. So that's probably going to need a few more coats. Okay. So it looks something like that. So we need to go there a little bit more. Okay. So that's what the tyres are gonna look like eventually. So something else I wanted to find out from you guys. Someone a while ago, it wasn't on my channel, but I was on their live feed, and they mentioned about why do I have a name like RLC321. Now originally I chose that quite a while ago just because it was basically my initials, and 321 have no bearing on anything whatsoever. It's just a number that I used. But I was wondering, do you guys think I should change my channel name? You know, what do you think? Should I call myself something different? Let's have a little, not a poll as such, but let's just see if you guys think I should change my name. Give me some suggestions as to what I should change it to. That would be absolutely brilliant. Because I'm a lazy ass and I can't think for myself because I'm just too lazy to do that. And you see what we get. I think that'll be interesting. It gets you guys involved as well, which is always a bonus. Having audience participation is good. A lot more channels should do audience participation and things like that. And this is very, very fine. So yeah, give me a few suggestions of a channel name change, or or do you think it needs a name change? You know, that's another interesting point. Does it need a name change? Should it stay the same? I don't know. But you know, we'll leave it up to you guys. If you guys think I should change my name, then I will, and we'll go with what name would we choose? And again, have to choose a name. And the name with the most likes will be the name that I choose. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Gives everyone a chance to have a not voting as such, but a little chance to put their suggestions down. And what I'm doing, I'm painting the whole thing, and then I'm getting the other end of the brush, and I'm just dipping it in where the holes should be, and drawing the rest of the paint out. And it's actually leaving quite a nice effect. Which I am liking. As you can see, it's leaving quite a nice effect. Last one. And I'm still waiting for the LEDs to come in for this. They should be here probably tomorrow because they arrived in Heathrow on Saturday. But because it's a bank holiday weekend, I seriously doubt if I'll get them today. But you just never know. Might do. Being shipped by USPS, which is the United States Postal Service, so probably not. But we'll see. Hopefully it will be here latest Tuesday. But if they're here on Tuesday, I'm again at work, so we won't be able to do anything until I get back from work. Right. So got another one there. So who's excited about the upcoming Godzilla movie? I know I am extremely excited. I really can't wait. I'm just so stoked for it. You know, I love the 2014 one because they tried to do a fairly decent Godzilla movie, and for an American Godzilla movie as well, and it worked to a certain extent. There we go. That's done. It worked to a certain extent. The only problem is Godzilla is only in it for 8 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, only 8 minutes. I checked. Just 8 minutes of Godzilla goodness, which to me is nowhere near enough time for Godzilla. Yeah, you know. So, hopefully, this new one that's coming out is a lot better. Let's get rid of that paint and stuff there. There we go. Yeah. So I'm going to go let these dry. Let them dry. So which one's almost dry? That one. And then these should fit onto there. Actually, I should be able to fit them on. Oh. A little bit loose. A little bit loosey-goosey. Okay. So, I mean, I'm not, these, it's not turning or anything, the wheels don't turn or anything like that, they're staying as is, but there you go. No, you don't. There you go. The wheelsies now fallen off. And that one's really loose for some reason. But I think that's just because it's not on fully yet. But anyway, there you go. That's the wheels done. So I'm going to leave this video here. I'm going to put this away so everything can start drying. And the next video will, as I said, be the Sinanju or the Enterprise. I'm not sure which one yet. That'll be coming up next. So guys, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.